Hey, what's going on, Kick family? And welcome back to our garnish and herb series. Today we have the most incredible mint. Now, mint is rich in nutrients. Because of its dynamic flavor, mint is often added to recipes in small amounts, so consuming even 1/3 of a cup may be difficult. However, it's possible you may come close to this amount in some salad recipes that include mint along with other ingredients. Mint is super low in calories. It contains fiber, vitamin A, iron, manganese, and folate, just to name a few. And although it's great adding it to dishes, it also doubles as a topical with its menthol properties. Quiz time. Speaking of topicals, did you know that mint may decrease nursing pain in new moms by using the natural essential oils from the mint as a topical? And although multiple studies show that menthol doesn't have any decongestant properties, it still can provide some relief to cold and flu symptoms by subjectively improving the breathing through the nose. Here's a peach tea that we brewed to perfection. And to jazz it up a little bit, we decided to add fresh mint. Doesn't it look incredible? And next we have our ginger tea. And to zing that up a little bit, we decided to add fresh mint as well. Doesn't it look fantastic? Simply stated, when it comes to mint, you can't go wrong. This is such an incredible herb. I want to thank you guys for checking this video out. I'll catch you next week.